How to fix if Valorant keeps crashing mid-game. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, right-click on the Valorant app on your display. Then click on Properties in here. After you've clicked on Properties, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Compatibility at the top. In compatibility, make sure there's tick mark and disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. After you've done that, press on apply at the bottom and then press on OK. After you've pressed on apply and OK, what you need to do is open Task Manager. And if you see any Valorant option in here, right click on it. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Press on End Task. It's not available in my task manager, so I am showing in the random app. Press on End Task. Also, make sure your Windows is updated to the latest version. For that, what you can do is search Windows Update. It will lead you to this page. In here, make sure your Windows is updated to the latest version. If you have update available, you can press on update. Also, make sure you have nice graphics available on your device. You can simply search nvidia.com and download graphics from here. And this is how to fix Valorant keeps crashing mid-game. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.